Hello friends, today we are going to do some three-digit addition or subtraction story problems. Now as I read these problems today, you will need to think about whether it's asking you to add or subtract. So look for key words that teach you whether or not you should add or subtract. After I read each problem, I want you to make sure you pause the video before I move on. And if you ever need the problem read to you again, just rewind the video and listen again if you're not sure if you're being asked to add or subtract. With each of these problems, once you do the work in this space, I want you to make sure you circle your final answer. So make sure that when you have finished the problem, you circle your final answer so that I can clearly see what you want as your final answer. Letter A. In 2010, tickets to Disney World cost $101 after tax. In 2016, tickets to Disney World cost $131 after tax. How much more does it cost for a ticket to Disney World in 2016? So just remember, boys and girls, when you hear how much more, they're trying to ask you the difference between this number and this number. So remember, you're doing the work in this area and circling your final answer. Make sure you pause the video and play it when you're ready to move on to letter B. Letter B. Katie went on a mini vacation in Orlando and stayed in a hotel for 2 nights. Each night it cost her $186. How much did it cost to stay in the hotel? Remember, she stayed for 2 nights and it cost her $186 each night. Make sure you pause the video and unpause it when you're ready to move on to letter C. Letter C reads, Robin read 147 words in 1 minute. Lily read 180 words in 1 minute. How many fewer words did Robin read than Lily? And remember, pause the video and wait until you're ready to move on to letter D. Always rewind if you need to hear a problem again. Letter D. Carol read a book with 334 pages in it. Marty read a book that had 281 pages in it. How many more pages did Carol read than Marty? So again, just like in letter A, you're looking for the difference between these numbers. Make sure you pause before I go ahead and read letter E. Letter E says, Alex got $130 for his birthday. He got $115 for Christmas. How much money does Alex have? So think about his total amount of money. When you are done, I want you to double check that you did the right thing, addition or subtraction, and double check that you did the work correctly. Make sure you regrouped when you needed to, and make sure to check your math facts. Double check that you did that addition or subtraction correctly and you weren't just one off. Once you've checked your work, go ahead and put your name on it and turn it in.